I am K. Umeswara, Department of Physics. Today my topic is first sem Physics Unit 5 Ultrasonics. Subtopic of what are magnetostriction? Explain production of ultrasonic waves. So what are the magnetostriction? This is first discovered by Joule in 1847. When a ferromagnetic material is magnetized, certain changes occur in its internal structure and the resulting stress in the specimen produce small changes in its physical dimensions. This phenomena is called magnetostriction effect. So this is the magnetostriction effect. So this instrument are called magnetostriction instrument. So this is the producing of ultrasonic waves. So first one, and this is the bar magnet applied in magnetized. So change with internal structure and change in it physical dimensions. So these physical dimensions are changed. So this is called magnetostriction effect. So this is the coil L2. Next one, this is the coil. This is the coil L1, and next this is the coil L. This is the coil L. Next one, this is the capacitor, variable capacitor C, and milliammeter. So measuring the current. So next one, plate P. So G means grid. This is the totally grid. So F means this is the filament. So next battery, anode and cathode. So this is the high temperature. So this is the DC power supply. So total instruments. So next one, producing of a ultrasonic waves. So first one, XY is a bar of ferromagnetic materials like nickel, ferrous, cobalt. So this is the ferromagnetic material like nickel, ferrous, cobalt, and the rod clamped at middle. So this is the rod clamped at middle. So next point, the rod is magnetized, then produce of DC supply in the coil L2. So this is the rod applied in magnetized. So produce of a DC power supply in coil L2. Next one, the other two coils, L and L1. So other two coils L and L1. So this is the L1 and L. other two coils around in the rod. So these two coils around in the coil. Next one, the coil Ln capacitor C is parallel connected to plate circuit. So the coil L and capacitor C connected in parallel connected in plate circuit. This is the plate circuit. Next one, A DC ammeter in connected DC ammeter connected in plate circuit to read plate circuit. So milliammeter is connected to plate circuit and read plate circuit. So next one, the coil L1 connected between the coil L1 connected between, this is the grid plate. So grid and connected to battery, grid and cathode. So this is the battery positive terminal, connected in battery positive terminal. Next one, the oscillatory frequency of circuit determine coil L and C. It is varied help of variable capacitor. So the oscillatory of frequency of circuit and determine L and C. So this is frequency are varied, depends on the variable capacitor. Next one, the oscillatory frequency is equal to natural frequency of rod. So this oscillatory frequency is equal to natural frequency of the ferromagnetic material rod. So next one, the rod set as resonance then produce of ultrasonic waves, ultrasonic waves. Next one, the velocity of. So the velocity of ultrasonic waves in longitudinal bar. So V equal root over y by rho. So this is the velocity of ultrasonic waves in longitudinal bar. So V means velocity, y means y equal Young's models. So rho means density of the bar. Next, fundamental frequency of bar. So this is the ferromagnetic material like nickel, cobalt, ferrous. So this material vibrates in this type. These waves are longitudinal waves. So this bar is applied in magnetized, so produce of vibrations in longitudinal waves. So this is the rare fractions. So this is the compressions. So one compression and one rare fraction distance between the lambda by 2. So lambda by 2, total length L. So L equal lambda by 2. So vibrate of the bar in this type. So this is the rare fractions. This is the compressions. So compressions. So the distance between the rare fraction and compressions is lambda by 2. So this total length L equal to lambda by 2. So lambda equal to 2L. So we now get V equal to mu lambda. So lambda means 2L. V equal to nu into 2L. So nu equal V by 2L. So 2L in left side of multiplication. So left side of division. So V by 2L. So this is the fundamental frequency of bar. So then apply equation number 1. Equation number 1 means, so this is the equation number 1. So V equal root over y by rho. So nu equal 1 by 2L root over y by rho. 1 by 2l, 1 by 2l, v means root over y by rho. So this is the fundamental frequency of the ball. So producing of ultrasonic waves frequency. So next one, and this magnetostriction advantage, this magnetostriction advantage, advantage. So first one, the magnetostriction materials like nickel, ferrous, cobalt, not expansion, not expansion. Next one, the design of oscillatory very simple, very simple. Next one, production cost of low, cost is low, Next, the production cost is low, design oscillator very simple, oscillations are very simple. Next, disadvantage, disadvantage. First one, the produce ultrasonic sound is 3 into 10 power 6 Hz frequency only. Next one, the magnetostriction output very low. Next one, the natural frequency depends upon temperature. Next one, there is loss of energy. So this is the magnetostatic structure. Thank you, friends.